So for your computations, then you have the ability to say, what percentage of my entire account group does this account make up? So the example they give you is, for your expenses broken out by percentage. So let's do exactly that. I've created a report here based off my operating expenses. I'm going to add in a computation. So I'm going to hit beside my operating expenses account group, I'm going to hit the little pencil button and I'm going to say my variable is my account group, and I am going to divide by my operating expense. Save. I'm going to call that divide OE, and then I'm going to add in another column to the right, and this one's going to be multiply by 100 to give me my percentage. And I want to make sure that I'm doing that at the top. So yes, I am. And then the variable in this scenario is going to be constant. I'm going to choose my operation of multiply, and then that's going to be by 100. I'm going to save that. So now I have my computations. I can go back into my columns. And in this case, I had just created a report for pulling my expenses for year to date. I'm going to add in a column to the right. And this column is going to be computation on actual. And I'm going to do divide by my operating expense. Let's keep the dates all the same. So current year to date. And I'm actually going to hide this column because I don't need it. I'm going to add in another one. And it's also computation on actual. But in this case, we're going to do multiply by 100, and it's going to be on our column 3. So we're multiplying that out, keeping my reporting periods the same, and I'm going to show that as a percent, and I'll leave it at precision 0. Okay, so I have my date in here. Let's preview that report and see what it looks like. So what percentage of my entire account group operating expenses do each of my accounts make up? So probably do need to put in a different precision. Let me change that now. I'll put in precision of 2. Try that again. Okay, so my bank charges makes up 0.01%. Cost of sales other are making up 88.78% of the entire account group. So that's just an example of what you can do with computation. So you're going to add in, you're dividing out by the entire account group and multiplying it by 100. On your columns tab, you do have to add in those columns then as a computation on the actual. If you're dividing out and then multiplying, you can hide the dividing column. So that's just an example of your computations. Obviously, you know better than me what you want to see, but a percent of revenue or something like that is something that we would typically see our clients do. So in the next video, then we're going to take a look at filters and formatting.